not sure.
Did you hear the cat meow?
I think so. This time I heard it. But where it's coming from? I think it's coming from where your toys are. Let's go and check it, okay?
Okay.
Let's go.
It's not in the toy box.
I think you should look in the boxes.
Chair.
Check the other box.
It's not here. It's there.
Oh, it's there?
Yes.
Take her out. I think she wants you to take her out.
Meow meow.
Oh. Can you show everyone the Pomsie? Oh, she's so cute. So this is the packaging, and we have got patches. This is the patches Pomsie. So there are 7 different types of Pomsies. One is Blossom, Boots, this is Patches, Pinky, Sherbert, Snowball, and Speckles. So meet Patches, you guys. With her feisty personality, she encourages you to showcase your individuality. Oh, they're so cute and furry. They're all lovable and nice. And you can wear them. You can wear them on your wrist, and you can wear them on your backpack, and take them anywhere you like. So let's go ahead and open this up, Piya.
Okay.
This is the back of the Pomsie. And this is the instruction manual.
I'm gonna open that.
Yeah, I'm opening it. Piya can't wait to see her Pomsie. I think she loves it already.
Ready.
So it comes with an instruction manual and a comb to comb your little Pomsies for. This is the instruction manual. So when you first turn on the Pomsies, they are in pat mode, means they have teal eyes. That's in the pat mode. When you press the nose, first it will start with the teal color of her eyes. You can also press the nose to wake Pomsies. And what you can do is you can hold the Pomsie's nose for a second or so, and you can switch the mode. Now there is a nice music playing. They have different meaning for all the color of the eyes. The teal means it's happy. Oh. You show them like this, right? When it's pink, it's being silly. When it's green, it means it has hiccups.
Is this not having hiccups?
Hiccups, and when her eyes turn yellow, that means she is hungry. Oh, she's already doing purr. Oh, are you trying to comb her hair, Piya?
This is her comb. Pink comb.
And when it has rainbow color eyes, that means she keeps changing the color of her eyes. That means she's super happy. Oh, she's happy. Oh, it's doing purr. Now you press on the nose for a second, Piya. Oh. Now it's loving the music and trying to dance. She's doing the happy dance. Move her, shake her like this. Shake her. You can even put it on your neck. Aww, that's so sweet. Do you love your patches, Pomsie?
Yes. I will keep them.
Oh, okay. You can show everyone how you put it on your neck. Aww, see? She's trying to hug you. You can cuddle with her. Can you show everyone the Pomsie? Oh, can you give a smile? Good. You. Can you show the eyes of Pomsie to everyone? Do it like this. Show it to everyone. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video today with Piya opening the Pomsie. And if you loved our video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell button so you get notified every time we upload a new video. And don't forget to comment, share and subscribe. Thank you guys once again. Bye bye.
Bye bye.